Solana giant Forward Industries to tokenize $1.65 billion stock on Superstate. Forward Industries, Solana, stocks, Galaxy and Jump bankroll Forwards leap onto Superstate's Solana rails, turning Nasdaq equity into 24/7. Collateral-ready tokens for Drift, Kamino, and Jupiter Lend. Journalist, Hassan Shittu. Journalist, Hassan Shittu. About author, Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, last updated, September 22, 2025. Forward Industries, the largest Solana-focused treasury company, has announced plans to tokenize its stock on the Solana blockchain through Superstate's opening bell platform. The move positions the Nasdaq-listed firm to become one of the first public companies to issue tokenized equity directly on-chain, extending its broader strategy to build a balance sheet anchored by Solana. Forward Industries, Superstate team up to bring public equities on-chain. Under the agreement, Forward shareholders will be able to convert their common stock into tokenized Forward shares via Opening Bell, which Superstate launched in May 2025 as a regulated on-chain issuance platform. The initiative will enable 24/7 trading, near-instant settlement, and expanded global liquidity for the company's equity. Forward also intends to take an equity stake in Superstate to align interests and collaborate on further product development. Forward is also working with major Solana-based protocols, including Drift, Kamino, and Jupiter Lend, to make tokenized Forward shares usable as collateral within their lending systems. The company said the collaboration represents a step toward integrating traditional equity with decentralized finance infrastructure built on Solana. Kyle Samani, co-founder of Multicoin Capital and chairman of Forward Industries, said the launch reflects the company's goal of becoming an on-chain first enterprise. He described the partnership with Superstate as a way to place Solana at the core of global capital markets. Robert Leshner, CEO of Superstate, added that the project marks the beginning of Solana becoming a home for tokenized public equities. The tokenization plan comes shortly after Forward closed a $1.65 billion private investment in public equity financing on September 11, led by Galaxy Digital, Jump Crypto, and Multicoin Capital. The PIPE, the largest Solana-focused digital asset treasury financing to date, funded the company's purchase of 6.8 million SOL, worth around $1.58 billion. Existing shareholder C/M Capital Partners also participated in the raise, which saw broad interest from institutional investors. As part of the financing, Chris Ferraro of Galaxy Digital and Saurabh Sharma of Jump Crypto joined as board observers, while Samani assumed the role of chairman. The company's pivot has been underscored by its regulatory filings. On September 17, Forward submitted plans for a $4 billion at-the-market equity program with Cantor Fitzgerald as distributor, which will allow it to raise additional capital for Solana acquisitions and working capital. Forward's strategy comes at a time when Solana is seeing surging activity. In the second quarter of 2025, the blockchain processed more than 8.9 billion transactions and supported nearly $4 billion in daily decentralized exchange volume. According to data from the Strategic Solana Reserve, 17 companies now hold a combined 17.11 million SOL, valued at $4.03 billion at current prices, equal to nearly 3% of the token's circulating supply. Institutions turn to Solana as treasury asset in series of high-value deals. A series of major deals this month has spotlighted Solana's growing role in corporate treasury strategies. Helios Medical Technologies said it has made its first Solana acquisition, purchasing more than 760,000 SOL tokens at an average cost of $231. Backed by over $335 million in cash reserves, the company said Solana will serve as the principal holding in its digital asset treasury. The move follows Helios' $500 million oversubscribed private investment in a PIPE round earlier this month, led by Pantera Capital, with total commitments potentially reaching $1.25 billion. Investors in the round included Animoca Brands, Arrington Capital, Hashkey, and Republic Digital. Galaxy Digital also made headlines, disclosing $306 million in Solana purchases in a single day on September 15. The firm has accumulated 6.5 million SOL, worth about $1.55 billion, over 5 days, according to on-chain data. The buying spree is tied to a broader initiative with Multicoin Capital and Jump Crypto. Meanwhile, Fragmetric and DeFi Development Corporation announced plans to launch South Korea's first Solana-based digital asset treasury through the takeover of a listed company. Other institutions are moving in the same direction. On September 19th, Brera Holdings unveiled Soulmate, a Solana-focused treasury and infrastructure company funded with $300 million from ARK Invest, the Solana Foundation, and Middle East backers. The firm plans dual listings on Nasdaq and a UAE exchange. Pantera Capital said Solana is reaching an adoption inflection point, noting that payment giants such as Stripe and PayPal are beginning to build on the network. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin and Picoin by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Institutional on-ramp goes live in October. XRP can become the next Wall Street darling. Why is crypto down today? September 22nd, 2025. Perplexity AI predicts the price of XRP, Shiba Inu and Pepe by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. XRP ETF set to launch this week. $100 breakout finally coming? Price analysis. XRP price prediction. XRP ETF smashes records on CBOE debut. Is Ripple ready to flip BTC in flows? 3 days ago, by Alejandro Arich. Features. Lord Miles. Polymarket chaos over claim YouTuber died during 40-day fast. 2 days ago, by Connor Sefton. Price analysis. Shiba Inu price prediction. Insane volume plus falling wedge equals SHIB's most explosive setup in years. 2 days ago, by Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in September 2025. Top crypto to invest in. September 15, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in September 2025. Top new crypto coins. 2 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 5 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 16 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in September 2025. 5 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 6 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 14 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. September 11, 2025. By Ben Beto.